Hey guys, this is Leo at LeTime. In today's video, I want to introduce you the benefits of ashwagandha based on the scientific data and also introduce you the 4 best ways for daily consumption of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has been used in India for thousands of years. It is a adaptogen. It can help reduce anxiety, balance mood, and boost the immune system to prevent illness. It's like a Chinese ginseng, so it's called an Indian ginseng. Ashwagandha has a long list of treatable illness and its drug effects. There are many studies, including animal models, to present its medicinal function. And today I want to introduce you the 3 clinical trials which are randomized and double-blind. In one study, 42 patients with osteoarthritis were randomized and was given either ashwagandha or placebo for 3 months. The herbal supplement shows significant improvement of reducing the severity of pain and disability scores. Another study was conducted for 60 days with 60 children with age from 8 to 12. The group 1 was given powder ashwagandha with 100 ml of milk. At the end of the 60 days, the group showed a significant increase in the mean capsule hemoglobin and the total proteins compared with its initial level and the placebo group. In a very recent study, there are 57 healthy male volunteers with limited physical training experience, aged from 18 to 50. They randomized into different groups. One group is given daily 300 mg of starch capsule and the other with a 300 mg ashwagandha capsule. And they had a regular training 3 days a week. The ashwagandha group shows significant improvement in the muscle size, testosterone levels, recovery time, and tolerability. The muscle strength kept equal between the groups and no side effects were reported for either group. There are 4 ways to best use of ashwagandha: eating, tea, tincture, and the last one is the distillation. The first way is eating. Eat the raw ashwagandha root powder. You can either eat the powder with water, put in the soup, mix with milk, or add with honey and make a paste. Or the second way, you just eat a capsule. There's no data to recommending how much the powder you can eat every day, but the current data prove 3 to 6 grams per day for an adult is safe. So you may consider within this range. Of course, you always test, make sure you can tolerate and there is no side effect. The second way is make and drink ashwagandha tea. To make a ashwagandha tea, you're gonna need a cup. You better have a lid for the cup, or you can use a salt saucer to cover. And you need a hot boiling water. You need the water is still boiling and pour into the ashwagandha. The ratio is 1 teaspoon with 1 cup of the boiling water. I'm using the chopped ashwagandha root. 1 teaspoon is about 2 grams. So first we add the ashwagandha into the cup. And now waiting for the water boiling. You can either use an electric kettle or you can use the gas kettle. So pour in and cover it. 10 minutes. Then you can enjoy it. The third way is the tincture. Tincture is alcohol extraction. Fill the jar with chopped ashwagandha root and then pour the alcohol in. So let it soak well, 30 days or up to 45 days. And every day you shake it and you can do upside down and make a turn. So help the alcohol mix well with chopped ashwagandha improves the extraction efficiency. You may refer to my last video about rosemary, and you can always use a vodka. Higher proof is better. In a scientific study, they compared the different extraction methods, including using water, alcohol, hydroalcohol, which is a 50-50 mixture of water and alcohol, and they also did different ways, including the percolation and maceration. They dry the separated extracted liquid and measure the active ingredient. Compared with percolation, maceration is more efficient to extract the active ingredients out of the ashwagandha, and compared with alcohol, bare water extraction is more efficient, which makes 50% to even 3 times more the active ingredients. Because water extraction is so efficient, this makes hydrodistillation becomes promising to extract the active ingredients out of the ashwagandha. We mix the ashwagandha with water and boil, so we are extracting those large molecules out of the ashwagandha into the water, and meantime we are collecting the volatile compounds, which is ashwagandha essential oil, and put it into a distillate. So by doing distillation, you get a hydrosol and a soup at the same time. One is for internal consumption and one is for the topical use. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something today. Like the video, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell to receive a notice of the new video coming up. And see you next time.